Hello, and welcome to part 2 of the Zzap Kannon loader and ammo lift mini project. In the first part, which I'll link in the description, I assembled this Ork and made him a power claw for carrying shells. I also built this ammo lift for bringing shells up from below deck. Everything has already been primed with Chaos Black, so let's get on with some painting. The lift box was given a base coat of RHINOX hide. Base of CERAMITE white on areas that were to be yellow, then a fairly translucent coat of Evil SUNZ SCARLET over the RHINOX hide. Next up for the yellow areas was a coat of bronzed flesh, as it has better coverage than the golden yellow which followed. I then shaded the red with more RHINOX hide, and the yellow with MOURNFANG brown. Then some highlights of Evil SUNZ SCARLET on the box, and sunburst yellow on the cradle and hazard stripes. I then picked out the panel edges, rivets and other metalwork with LEADBELCHER, finishing off with a wash of ABADDON black in all of the crevices. The shells were based with tin bits, then dry brushed with brass scorpion, and lastly detailed with some LEADBELCHER on the nose and shaded with some more tin bits. To fit the ammo lift, I started by marking its location on the foredeck with some masking tape. I then drilled a series of holes around the area to be removed. Then cut through the remaining deck using some clippers and a knife. Then used a small file to remove the remaining waste and carefully increase the opening until the ammo lift fitted snugly. Now on to painting the Ork. Starting with the base coats. Salamander green for the skin, Steel Legion drab for the shirt, RHINOX hide for the trousers, MOURNFANG brown for any leather, and LEADBELCHER for the metal. The skin was then wet blended with snot green and goblin green. I then did some highlighting, MOURNFANG brown for the trousers, and some bronzed flesh mixed with the respective base coat for the shirt and leather areas. The shoulder pads and pistol were dry brushed with LEADBELCHER, and Evil SUNZ SCARLET for the eyes and to tie around the weapons. I've also painted in other small areas and picked out detail with a wash of ABADDON black. The power claw was the same process as the ammo lift cradle. CERAMITE white, bronzed flesh, golden yellow, shaded with MOURNFANG brown, highlighted with sunburst yellow, rivets and strips with LEADBELCHER, with a final touch of ABADDON black wash to pick out the details. The ammo lift was glued into its hole and the joins touched up with the relevant colours. Finally, I decided on the Ork's position and drilled a couple of small holes for the pins in his feet and superglued him in place. And that concludes this mini project. I'm very happy with how it turned out. It certainly brings a bit more life to the Zzap Kannon. Let me know what you think. Until next time, thanks for watching.